in what is tremendously amazing research in regard to the use of two compounds, in this case EGCG, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, and ferulic acid. One found obviously in green tea, the other one's in carrots, tomatoes, wheat, and so on and so forth. What researchers discovered in this animal model is when they combined EGCG with ferulic acid, they received an incredible outcome. Now, please keep in mind, this is an animal model, meaning think of it more like a pilot study or preliminary, in which case we have to conduct the research in human trials as well to see if we get the same results. But it's a start. And in this case, looks extremely promising, and its only fault may appear overly simplified. So with that in mind, let us begin as follows. Alzheimer's-like symptoms reversed in mice, researchers say. Special diet with compounds containing green tea and carrots restored working memory. A diet containing compounds found in green tea and carrots, according to research, reversed Alzheimer's-like symptoms in mice genetically programmed to develop the disease. The caveat: researchers emphasize that the study recently published in the Journal of Biological Chemistry was in mice, and many mouse discoveries never translate into human treatments. Nevertheless, the findings lend credence to the idea that certain readily available plant-based supplements might offer protection against dementia in humans. For this study, researchers took a look at two compounds, EGCG, or otherwise known as epigallocatechin 3-gallate, a key ingredient in green tea, and ferulic acid, which is found in carrots, tomatoes, rice, wheat, and oats. The dosage. Keep in mind, this is an animal model. We have to make sure it translates equally into humans. But the dosage in the animal model was 30 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, a dosage well tolerated by humans and easily consumed as part of a healthy plant-based diet in the form of supplements. So, with that in mind, let's go into the abstract itself. It's going to kind of repeat what we covered here, but it gives a little an extra dimension to what we're reading. As follows. At 12 months of age, according to the research, we orally administered EGCG and or ferulic acid 30 milligrams per kilogram each, meaning you could have 30 milligrams of EGCG, 30 milligrams of ferulic acid, or the combination of 30 milligrams of both EGCG and 30 milligrams of ferulic acid. Important, because the primary reason why is the best results was in the combination, or vehicle once daily for 3 months. At 15 months, combined EGCG-FA treatment reversed, according to the research, cognitive impairment in most tests of learning and memory, including novel object recognition and maze tasks. Additional beneficial co-treatment effects included amelioration of neuroinflammation, oxidative stress, and synaptotoxicity. Our findings offer preclinical evidence that the combined treatment with EGCG and ferulic acid FA is a promising AD therapeutic approach. Let's go back to the public release. After 3 months, combination treatment, and I'm quoting directly, after 3 months, combination treatment completely restored working memory, and the Alzheimer's mice performed just as well as the healthy comparison, according to the research. How did it work? Town said, with the researcher, says one mechanism appeared to be the substance's ability to prevent amyloid precursor proteins from breaking up into smaller proteins called amyloid-beta that gum up in Alzheimer's patients' brains. In addition, the compounds appear to reduce, repeating kind of what we had from the abstract, neuroinflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, key aspects of Alzheimer's pathology in humans. So, an incredible research, again, emphasize pilot, preliminary, however you want to utilize it, that offers tremendous promise. Primary bias here, and even with myself, is sometimes things appear to be simple. In this case, 30 milligrams of epigallocatechin 3-gallate mixed in with ferulic acid of each per day for a certain period of time to completely reverse the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease in mice is still amazing just the same. Hope you find this information of use. Ralph Channel signing off once again. Look forward to seeing you all again in 7 days. And I appreciate you all the time for listening. And thank you very much. Again, DOI citation will link to the research itself so you can delve into it on your own as well, or bring to your medical practitioner. Again, Ralph Channel signing off. Thank you very much for listening. I'll catch you all again next week. See you then. Bye.